Hi folks, this is Gökberk and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to build a condition column in Power BI. No custom column code required. It's efficient. Power BI ticks are what you are after. You are in the perfect place. So hit the subscribe and turn on notification to catch every new videos. Ready? Let's jump onto the screen. Yes, we currently have the Power Query screen on our display. You can also access this Power Query screen in Power BI Service Data Flows Jambi. Additionally, you can reach the Power Query screen by clicking on Transform Data in Power BI Desktop. Right now, we will proceed with a process using Data Flow Jambi. In the data flow, I have selected the product table, and here I have three simple columns: products, sales, and date. We are going to apply a condition here. While applying this condition, we will use a custom column at first, but later we will realize why we should use a condition column instead without needing a custom column. Here I have my sales data. I'm going to apply a sales condition. If the sales are below 100, it will be labeled as low. If it is below 200, then medium, and the rest will be high. We'll use a custom column for this. Let's name it sales condition and write our code. I'm referencing the sales column since I want it to be labeled as low when it is below 100. I start with that. Then because I want to add another condition, I use else if. Again, I reference the sales column. If it is below 200, I label it as medium. The rest, meaning those above 200, will be labeled as high. Then I click OK, and now my condition is applied. We wrote the code, but can we do this without writing any code? Yes, we can. Even when we write code, Power Query is actually using a condition column in the background. So instead of writing code, we will proceed by using the condition column feature directly. However, this condition column approach doesn't work in every scenario. It is mostly suitable for simpler conditions or cases involving multiple straightforward rules. So, let's create it again. I name it sales condition. Then, which column are we working with? It is sales column. We choose less than and enter 100. What should it return when it's below 100? We set it to low. Here, we can also choose to return a value or reference another column. For the output, it works in the same way. Now, we want to add an isif to define another condition. Again, I select the sales column, choose less than, and enter 200. This time, the result will be medium. For everything else, I define it as which will return high. Similarly, I could choose to return a numerical value or base the output on another column. And here I click the OK button. Once I press OK, the actions we performed using the graphical interface are instantly converted into code, just like the ones we wrote manually. Got questions or insights on Power BI condition columns? Share them in the comments so we can keep the conversation flowing. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe and type like. Then check the description for the links to my other sources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next videos.